I'm crazy about this steam mop for chemical-free cleaning. It's very easy to fill, and it heats in about 30 seconds. It's made of good construction, but still light and maneuverable. The steam is adjustable from high to low. It also has reusable and washable mop pads, and it detaches to use as a handheld steamer. It comes with many attachments from nozzles and brushes to even a squeegee. It also has a little scraper that you can use as well. And this is what it looks like when you're using the attachment. It folds easily for storage, and I highly recommend this steam mop.